Good morning, boys and girls, and happy Thursday. Happy Read Across America Week. And to celebrate, I want to read my favorite book, Be You by Peter Reynolds. Raise your hand if you also love this book. Awesome! I love seeing so many students who are enjoying this book, Be You. And the message in this book, boys and girls, is so powerful. It's why we wear shirts that say Be You. It's why we talk about being you, because each and every one of you are important. You're special. You are unique. And when you all are your best and able to do some of the things in this book, we come together and we are an unstoppable school and community. You were born to be so many things. Be you. My wish for you, no matter where your journey leads, is for you to always be you. Be ready to take that next step towards being an amazing human being. Be curious. Turn every stone. Ask every why. Keep digging deeply. Discover your own answers. Be adventurous. Live a big life. When you are ready, step outside your comfort zone and bravely explore new paths to see where they lead you. Be kindred spirits. Be with those who make you feel like the real you. Be connected. Be persistent. Keep going, never stop. Keep going, never stop. Keep going, never stop. Be different. Be silly, quirky, be odd, be unique, be weird, be colorful, and be okay with being different. Be just the way you are. Be kind. Help those around you to be themselves. Listen and then listen some more. Be kind, be understanding. Be brave. Try new things, take a deep breath, and plunge forward into new experiences. It gets easier every time you try. Be your own thinker. Think for yourself and set your own unique course. It isn't always easy, but you'll be heading in the direction of you. Be okay being alone. Take time to be your own. Hear your own thoughts, your inner voice. Listen to yourself. Be patient. Being more than you takes time. Take a deep breath. Relax. Let your future unfold at its own pace. It will be worth the wait. Be okay reaching out for help. When you need a helping hand, a compassionate ear, an encouraging word, reach out. You are ready, so go ahead. Be you. Be very, very you. Happy Read Across America Week. I wish all of you take one aspect of this book and go forth today and accomplish that. And I will be hitting the halls in the morning announcements in the next few weeks and talking to some of you about ways you are being uniquely you within our school. Happy Thursday.